Number 1. 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $2,900, Denver, Colorado. This 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a budget-friendly rear-wheel drive coupe with solid performance potential. It is powered by an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and shows 100,000 miles with a clean title. The car starts easily, runs well, and includes functioning air conditioning and power windows. The exterior has been partially sanded and will need paint, though the existing patina gives it a classic project appearance. Mechanically, the engine has been rebuilt from the bottom up, making this Camaro a strong base for a driver-focused restoration or weekend cruiser. Number 2. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Hardtop Coupe, $3,500, Palomino Valley, Nevada. This 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Holiday Hardtop Coupe reflects the upscale side of General Motors' muscle-era styling. It is equipped with a factory 400 cubic inch big block V8 and factory air conditioning. The car remains fully original and complete, with additional parts included in the trunk. Although it is not currently running, the engine turns freely, making it a promising restoration project. With a clean Nevada title and styling closely related to the legendary 442, this Cutlass offers strong collector appeal at an approachable price. Number 3. 1974 Chevrolet Chevelle Laguna Type S3, $3,300, Yucca Valley, California. This rare 1974 Chevrolet Chevelle Laguna Type S3 is a true project car featuring desirable factory equipment. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. The engine turns by hand, but the car is not currently running. Features include swivel bucket seats, floor shifter with console, rally wheels, and dual exhaust. Purchased from its original elderly owner and kept on California non-operation status since 2007, it has no rust and carries a clean title, making it a strong restoration candidate. Number 4. 1971 Plymouth Duster, $6,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1971 Plymouth Duster is an honest and straightforward compact muscle-era coupe powered by a 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual column shift transmission. It shows 46,598 miles with an odometer rollover noted and runs and drives, riding on new tires. Finished in brown and sold with a clean title, it is offered as is and is not currently insured for road testing. Known for their lightweight design and strong aftermarket support, Dusters remain an appealing entry point for Mopar enthusiasts. Number 5. 1963 Buick LeSabre, $6,500, Moreno Valley, California. This 1963 Buick LeSabre sedan is powered by its original Wildcat 401 cubic inch nailhead V8 paired with a twin-turbine Dynaflow automatic transmission. Showing just 11,190 miles, it retains its original drivetrain and glass, along with an exceptional interior and bright chrome trim. A minor accident on the front passenger side fender has caused body interference, and driving is not advised until repairs are completed. With a clean title and current registration, this LeSabre offers classic early 60s luxury and strong restoration potential. Number 6. 1950 Chevrolet 3100 panel truck, $11,950, Brentwood, California. This 1950 Chevrolet 3100 panel truck is a solid and largely original example of an early post-war work vehicle. Powered by a 235 cubic inch inline-six engine with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission, it runs and drives very well. The electrical system has been converted to 12 volts, and the truck features solid floors and intact original rear wood panels. With a clean title and a history of consistent maintenance, this panel truck is increasingly rare in such good condition. Number 7. AMC Hornet hatchback, $10,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This AMC Hornet hatchback is a distinctive and increasingly collectible compact classic. It is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and shows 22,000 miles. The car runs well and retains its original interior, standing out due to its uncommon hatchback design. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, alternator, and belts. With a clean title and strong originality, this Hornet highlights American Motors Corporation's innovative spirit of the 1970s. Number 8. 1977 Ford ThunderBird, $7,500, Sacramento, California. This 1977 Ford ThunderBird is powered by a 400 cubic inch big block V8 and shows 90,000 original miles. It runs and drives smoothly and remains clean inside and out, finished in red with a vinyl top in good condition. The rear-wheel drive layout and automatic transmission provide a comfortable cruising experience. Currently on non-operation registration status, it rides on 4 good tires. This Thunderbird captures the style and comfort of the late 1970s personal luxury era. Number 9. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Coupe, $13,500, Visalia, California. This 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle is an all-original, matching numbers coupe powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. Showing 60,000 miles, it features a 12-bolt rear axle, factory Super Sport cowl hood with hood pins, bench seat, rubber floor mat, and original build sheet. It runs and drives, but has not been used as a daily driver recently. Often referred to as a heavy Chevy, this example offers strong authenticity and long-term collector value with a clean California title. Number 10. 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Hurst W30, $13,750, Mesa, Arizona. This 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Hurst W30 is a rare and highly collectible performance model with only 1,165 units produced. It is powered by its matching numbers rocket 5.7-liter 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbo hydromatic 350 transmission. Featuring a factory Hurst shifter and showing 87,127 original miles, it runs and drives excellently. Presented in near-new condition inside and out, this Cutlass is fully car show ready and comes with a clean title. Number 11. 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne Coupe. $14,500. Bloomington, Illinois. This 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne is a driver-quality full-size coupe powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives well and has a solid body, though the red paint shows heavy wear, including cracking, fading, and dirt buildup. The interior will require restoration, including the headliner and seats. With a clean title in the owner's name and a rear-wheel drive layout, this Biscayne is a strong candidate for restoration or a sleeper-style build. Number 12. 1965 AMC Rambler Marlin, 11,500, Redding, California. This 1965 AMC Rambler Marlin is a highly original and well-maintained fastback classic powered by a 232 cubic inch inline-six engine with an automatic transmission. Showing 68,900 miles, it has received extensive recent mechanical work, including rebuilt fuel system components, cooling system, brakes, suspension, and electrical updates. The interior is new, most trim remains intact, and cosmetic flaws are minimal. Although the paint is dull and there is limited rust near the left rear wheel, the car remains solid, clean, and historically preserved with a clean title.